Let's take a look at an application of a query which gives us the inliers. The purpose of the inliers is demonstrated here in this description, where the query shows the concentrations which are between the limit of detection and the limit of quantitation. So in this case, the LOD, it's above the LOD but below the LOQ. So it's not reported, but you still want to take a look at it and decide based on the chromatography, library match score, whether it's relevant or not. All right, the demo of the inliers query. You first go to the report menu in Batch at a Glance and then choose Query. From the list of queries that are presented, pick inlier above LOD and below LOQ, and you will be presented with a list. I'll put that list up here in the corner. Starting at the bottom, let's inspect some of these determinations. This looks very low on the library match score. I'll continue up again, and I'll run into one here where it has a reasonable library match score, 60, and I see a decent form for chlorobenzene of a target peak shape, and should I consider that as a final determination? Let me point out, if I go to hexanone, that you have the ability here to interact with the application. So I can decide, for example, that I want to manually integrate this determination, and instead of that as the primary peak, I could pick this as the primary peak, and notice that the library match score will change. That might have been a bad decision, but I can interact with the application here to decide if manually integrated, would any of those determinations be valid. Thanks for your attention.